Good morning, guys, and welcome back. So, this is my second last day in Delhi. I'll be leaving tomorrow, at least for this trip. So, today's plan, I'm going to be catching up with one of my classmates, an old classmate from 20 years ago. So, it'll be good fun to reminisce about all our old times, all the old fun that we had. I'll also see if I can catch up with a couple of other friends. So, old friends who are from Delhi and who are in Delhi right now. So, I'll see if I can catch up with them too. And in between all that, I will also be doing a little bit of work. So stay tuned. I'm going to be heading down for breakfast now and get back, do a little bit of more work, basically emails, and then head out. I had breakfast, and once I was done with breakfast, I went back to the room. I had a little bit of work to finish up. It was basically a whole bunch of emails which were pending. So I finished up with all my emails, and then I booked a cab and I'm headed out to GK. So that was something that I've seen in quite a few places around here. There are shelter homes. They're temporary structures put up for the homeless people to sleep in. And it's nice because for the homeless people, especially in Delhi winters, it is going to be very, very tough. So it's a nice initiative by the government to ensure that they are also safe. So I'm at M Block Market in GK, and I remember coming here when I was studying here, and well, everything has changed, but it's still good fun. Like there are fond memories, though I don't recognize a single thing over here. Lunch was with Dipankar. He's my classmate that I was mentioning. So we studied in college IIPM, what 23, 24 years ago now. So we've been friends from then, and whenever I drop by Delhi, I try and make it a point to catch up with as many of my old classmates as I can. So I'm done with the market visit and having lunch. So now that this is done, I'm going to be heading back to the room. एसी काम कर रहा है ना? क्यों?
कल हो जाएगा सही।
Let me cancel कर दे यार. Once again, I booked a cab, and when I went and asked, he said AC is not working. It will work tomorrow. No problem. He can come and pick me up tomorrow. I booked another cab. I'm going to go in that today. And आपका नाम?
मोहम्मद।
So I'm here with Mohammed, and I checked with him on the call, but once again, when the car came up, the windows were down. So I checked once again if the AC is working, because after the previous experience, I do not want to take a chance and say I'll go get into a car without the AC working. आपने कबूतर को खाना क्यों डाला?
मैं तो डालता हूँ सर, जब भी आता हूँ मैं पर डे ही डालता हूँ, कहीं भी मिल जाता है डालने के लिए, हम हर जगह डालते हैं।
So these are the pigeons. These pigeons are there on the side of the road, and my driver always makes it a point to at least once a day feed the pigeons. Kind of nice. So done with work for the day. I had a little bit of work in CP. I had some work in GK. I finished all that. I managed to meet a friend of mine too over lunch. I'm back here, and well, dinner was also from here, around here itself. Once again, my sweet tooth cravings got the better of me, and I ended up going to Nirula's and having 2 ice cream sundaes. So that was my evening, and that was my day. Tomorrow is going to be a more interesting vlog, because once again I'm going to be collaborating with Cycle Rider Roy. So that will once again be an interesting vlog, because you're going to start early in the morning and then right through the day. And my flight back to Bangalore is also tomorrow. So that's it for now. I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and share with your friends. And until tomorrow, safe ride everyone.